How to use Flair AI for beginners. Flair AI is an AI design tool for product photo shoots. All you have to do is upload your product photo and Flair AI will generate photos for that product for you. You can use it for free. You will get up to 10 images a month and 5 projects. If you subscribe for the Pro plan for $10 a month, you will get unlimited designs and unlimited projects. So let's try it for free. You can click on try Flair AI for free and log in. I already logged in using my Gmail account. Click here and we go to projects. From here we click in create new project and we upload our image. Click on product, upload product image. We choose the product image we want, and from here wait a little bit, and if you click remove, then it will remove the background of the image for us. Click remove, background image is already removed, and here we have a description for the product, and so it is generated by AI and it is correct. We click on continue. We can delete the old images from the old product. We don't need that, and we can just click generate. Wait a little bit. And if you want to generate more photos, we click on generate again. And here we have 2 photos. If you want, we can go back to generate and we can choose a template. I will type a keyword like camera and I will click here. Just click generate. And again generate. Let's one more time. Let's see what else we got. Here we have 3 photos, and this is the last one. So let's see, maybe we have one more. And here we have few photos. We can just click on the photo, download image, and the other one, and we can download all of them and use them later. The link will be in the description. Thank you for watching this video.